Hello friends, welcome to Veda's Healthy Living. Today's recipe is high protein chickpea chaat. Before going to the recipe, let us first know the nutrition facts and health benefits of chickpeas. Chickpeas are high in nutrition. They have fiber, potassium, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, zinc, folate and selenium that supports the heart health. These help control blood sugar levels. Chickpeas, like all legumes, are a form of complex carbohydrate that the body is able to slowly digest and use for energy. Increases satiety and helps with the weight loss. Chickpeas are high in both protein and fiber, which helps to make you feel full and to curb food cravings and unhealthy snacking. Improves digestion thanks to the high fiber content in chickpeas. Helps protect against heart diseases and cancer. Chickpeas have been shown to help balance unhealthy cholesterol levels, to reduce hypertension and to protect against heart disease in multiple ways. They are a great source of plant-based protein. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays an important role in nearly every function in the body. Consuming enough healthy protein helps you to naturally slow down your aging. Ingredients required: 2 cup boiled chickpeas, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup grated carrot, 4 to 5 chopped green chili, half cup chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, few curry leaves, half teaspoon of amchur powder or half medium sized lemon, pinch of black salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds. Salt as per taste. Let us now start with the recipe. Soak 1.5 cups of chickpeas overnight. Wash the soaked chickpeas thoroughly and boil them for 30 minutes. Now take a frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil is ready, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, chopped green chili and saute them. Now add 1 cup of chopped onion. Add salt and turmeric. Add few curry leaves. Now add 1 cup of grated carrot. Now add chopped tomato and fry them. Do not overcook the carrot and tomato. Now add boiled chickpeas to the fry. Add half teaspoon of amchur powder. You can squeeze lemon if you do not have amchur powder. Add a pinch of black salt. Black salt helps you relieve from the gas caused by chickpeas. Now crush few coriander seeds in mortar and pestle and add them to the chat. Add half teaspoon of pepper powder. Finally, garnish the chat with chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy healthy and tasty high protein chickpea chat in your breakfast. Friends, please try out this recipe and share your picture on Instagram. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Veda's Healthy Living.